Hey you, it's Eric the IT guy with another 5-minute programming challenge. So what you're looking at is one of my favorite British game shows. It's called Countdown, and this part is where the contestants select vowels and consonants at random to comprise 9 letters up there on the rack, sometimes with hilarious results. Bye Rachel. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to build something in Python that can play and cheat at that game. So new Python file, and we're going to call this we'll just call it countdown. It's a little ambiguous, but whatever. So we have a countdown.py file now. Let me walk you through what I'm doing real quick. So we're going to import a library that I know I'm going to need. So we'll do import, and what we need is itertools. And itertools is going to allow us to do some of the sorting we need to do, right? Let's define a couple of variables real quick. So we're going to need rack for that rack of letters up there. And we're going to set that equal to whatever the user inputs. So we'll do input, and we'll just do enter 9 letters here. Okay, works for me. Now the bollocks. The other variable that we need to set right off the top is candidates. So let's set that. IDATS. I always forget how to spell that. So candidates is equal to an empty set. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, now things are going to start to get a little bit more complex, right? So first thing we do is define a function. We'll call this compute score, I think. Yeah. Okay. And what we're going to do is we'll have that act on the word object. Python syntax, man, pretty easy so far. So we're going to do that, and then we'll just have it return the length of word. So what this is going to do is it's going to look at the length of our word object so that we can rank them. So all the 6-letter words will go here, and all the 7-letter words will go there, 8-letter words, yada, 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 down the line. Okay, so now let's do a little logic to make this work. So for I in range, what's our range going to be? So it'll be 1 to the length of rack. 1 to the length of rack plus 1, I think. Yeah, 1 to the length of rack plus 1. And that's the range that we're going to step through. Okay, so let me terminate that line. And we'll do, let's see, we'll do for combination in itertools. We'll choose that from IntelliSense. Dot combinations. Is that right? Yeah, yeah. And see here, it's showing me the parameters that takes. Cool. So we're going to do rack I think. We will, and we'll do rack all the way out to I. Terminate that line. Okay, looking good. And the last thing that we need to do is candidates again. Okay, so we'll do candidates, and then we'll pipe that like this, right? So let me open. So what we're going to do here is join these. Well, actually, here, I'll just show you. So we'll do join dot, and we're going to call these perms for permutations. So join dot perm for each perm in itertools, Wherein itertools permutations. So yeah, okay, so itertools dot permutations, that's correct. And what I'm going to have that act on is combination. Combination. Okay, that should be right. Close those brackets out. Okay, now the only thing that we've not done is actually gotten a dictionary file to run this against. Because see, this part here is going to get the 9 letters from us, and we're going to do the sorting here, but now we're going to need to open a dictionary to compare it to. And I'll show you what I did. So I just went to a browser, went to start page, and I'll just do this from here. So we'll go dictionary, not dictionary, dictionary files text. So we got dictionary file text, just words, dictionaries and word lists. Here we go. USA English, 77,000 words, 206 kilobytes. So in the interest of brevity, I've already downloaded that, and here it is here inside our project, dictionary.txt, and you can see it. Okay, so back to the fun. So our very next line, we're going to have to open that. So with open, and then we have to call it. So it's tionary.txt, dictionary.txt, okay, as f. And then when we do that, we're going to do dictionary. Okay, so dictionary is going to be set to, all right, so we need to get rid of the upper and lower case, because I noticed if we look back over to dictionary.txt, I saw some of these had uppercase in them, and what if you put in uppercase as an end user? So let's get rid of all of that. So we'll do word.strip, and we're going to make that reference itself. So word.strip, and then all to lowercase, dot lower, again referencing itself. And we're going to do that for each word in F. Okay. Looks good. Okay, so now very last couple of home stretchy kind of things that we need to do, right? So let's define correct words. And let me just, whoops. So correct words.
It is 8 o'clock p.m.
It is 8 o'clock p.m. If you want to know how to make that voice work on your computer, watch my videos. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct words. And let's copy that out. And we're just going to paste this a couple of times because we're going to use it. And so the first thing we're going to do is dictionary, and candidates. Okay, dictionary and candidates. And then the next thing we need to do is a little bit more sorting, right? So we'll do word, compute score. Let's actually, there's compute score, word, compute score of word, word, compute score of word, for each word in correct words, for word in correct words. Okay. And the last thing that we need to do is the lambda sort, right? So this is kind of really cool. So watch how this works. So we'll do correct words dot sort. And then here's where the magic comes in. So we'll do key equals lambda, and no, it's key equals lambda, and then we'll do word, then word 1, and word index 1. Oh, I need to set reverse. Yeah, let's set reverse too. So reverse equals the Boolean true. Okay, this should work. I'm going to actually go ahead and run this. We won't get any result, but I just want to verify that we don't get an error. Okay, we do get an error. Join.perm, invalid syntax. That's line 13. Let's take a look at it. Oh, yeah, obvious. Sorry. 99 times out of 100, when you throw an error like that, it's just a typo, and this is a typo. So it is, actually, maybe it's not a typo. What did I do here? Let's look at line 13. For combination, join perm for, oh, okay. So let's see, join perm. No, that's right. Dot join perm for perm and iter tools. No, that's correct. Oh, now we have another one. Lambda spacing issue. What is it? Word 1. Oh, yeah. Oh, geez. Okay. So it's key equals lambda word 1. No, that's. Oh, yeah. Misspelled lambda. That'll do it every friggin' time. There we go. Okay, and I'm not going to run that. I'm going to terminate the process because that will not do anything. Okay, cool. So now all we have to do is to get it to actually print. So let me show you how that's done. We're going to do another loop, right? So we're going to do for, let's see, for word and score in correct words. There's correct words. Okay, so for word and score in correct words, we're going to do this. We only want to see the ones that are 7s or higher. So I'm going to do if score is greater than 6, then we will execute this, which is print. Now we need to use the str function to convert score to a string, so it'll play nice. And then we just add that to one space, a hyphen, and a space, and we'll add that to word. Whoops, I did the wrong thing. Okay, and then add that to word. Okay, unless I am seriously mistaken, I think we have a program. So let's run this puppy and see what happens. Enter some letters to analyze. Oh, that's the wrong program. Let's run countdown.py. What the fuck? Why are you not running? I did not run some to analyze. Enter some letters to analyze. From searcher, import dictionary. Oh, that's why. No, don't do that. All right, try that again. Yeah, thank you. So weird. Okay, sorry, that's just an internal weirdness. So let's give it 1, 2, 3, 4 random vowels, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 random consonants, and see what we get back. Whoops. I actually might have to run that again. Name candidates is not defined. Did I misspell something? Let's see. Yeah. Son of a diddly. So C-A-N. Yeah, let's just change it. Candidates. Candidates to testes? That's good. Candidates. So let's just make sure that these agree with each other. Jesus. N-D-I. How did I spell that, for fuck's sake? C-A-N-D-I-D-A-T-E-S. Yeah, what the fuck? What the fuck, program? Unresolved reference. Why is that an unresolved reference? Oh, because I set the fucking variable to something different. Son of a diddly. Candidates. Yeah, right. Contact. O-E-I-U-B-R-D-W-S. Go. And son of a bitch if we don't actually get a result this time. So all of these are 7s. We'll run her one more time just to see what she does with a different list, right? So let's give O-A-E-A-S-D-R-T-D. Ah, okay, so we got a countdown winner here. There's a 9 and a whole bunch of 7s. So in any event, that's the program. That is a little Python program in 24 lines by a guy who really doesn't know how to write Python that solves a problem. Hope you had fun watching. Have a good one.